Uh, this video is to guide you how to create GTT. GTT stands for Good Till Trigger or Good Time to Trade. It is an advanced order type that let you place buy or sell order that will stay active until the market hits your trigger price, even if it takes weeks or month. So first you have to log into your Zerodha account, and you can do in a couple of different ways. So you can search for the stock that you want to do. um, for that you want to create the GTT, and suppose I have added here HDFC Bank, I want to create GTT. You can click on these three dots here. You will see this option, create GTT, and then click it over here, and now you will see this window. You can set it for either buy or sell. Suppose I want to create a GTT when the price will go till 990. Yeah, before setting that you can also check the other options. When the price goes down, what is the deep, and based on that you can create. Now you can just say click on this place order. Now we can go to the order and click on GTT, and it will show you the one that I have placed couple of others. So for example, I'll show you. Just now I created this one. When the price goes down to 990 and it will trigger. The current price is showing 1003. When the price will goes down till 990, it will trigger. Okay, you can also edit once you go here, and if you feel no, let's create a trigger. You can let's update this trigger. You can come here and click on edit, and for example I want to update this when then the price goes down to 995, and then it's a trigger. So currently I place one just for tutorial. You can update according to your wish here. Yeah, you can see I created a couple of more trigger here. uh, yeah, you have various other options to do that. You can edit, you can delete, you can copy GTT. You can also see a chart here. So this will give you what's the drop point. Okay, and you can see, you can scroll to see various other options here. Yep. So that's how you can create GTT. Again, order, inside the order GTT you can see it over here. If you want to create new GTT, you can directly click it over here, or from the three dots that you see, you can create. Yep. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.